I got this from Henry's, and I think the amount was so alam ko ito, need to turn off natin. Welcome to another vlog mga kalaks and mga kalaps. Today, I'm so excited dahil we will be unboxing our purchases from Henry's Camera. And we bought last weekend, I think, the Osmo Pocket 2 Creator Content Combo and some accessories for that camera that we will be using for our future vlogs. So samahan nyo ako, let's unbox it and let's see kung ano yung meron sa loob nito.
12 seconds later.
So, let's open. Tingnan natin. Ooh. Natin. Okay. So first ay itong the DJI Pocket 2. Tsaka yung case niya or yung cover. Let's put that out. So may mga pads siya. So, yan. So, let's see what's inside this one. I think this is the wireless microphone windscreen. Open that. Ito yung tawag nila, dead cat. Next is the wide angle lens. I think let's open it. So ito siya. Ang laman nito. Ito yung isang USB adapter for lightning, what we call that, smartphone adapter, lightning adapter for the Apple cell phones. Then the smartphone adapter USB-C para sa mga Androids. Diba? Ito yung joystick. Yeah, this is the joystick. Meron ding desiccant. Isa natin sa kabila. What's this? The strap. Then dito ito yung USB splitter charging cable. So yan, para makapag-charge kayo ng dalawang kasi parang yung battery and yung sa wireless microphone saka yung sa handle or yung USB itself, pwede nyo siyang i-charge ng sabay using this one. Ano pa ba? Natin naman. I think this is the user manual. Tapos Ito yung do it all handle. So ito yung idudugtong natin dito. Tapos ito rin yung wireless microphone transmitter. So kaya may clip. Ito yung ilalagay mo sa ilalim para makalagyan mo extension na tripod or monopod. What else? Oh, this is the micro tripod. So, anong gagawin niya? Ganon. So, wala na. So let's try to use this. Tanggalin daw natin itong mga plastics and the rubber. Team padding para hindi masyadong magalaw. Aralin ko muna siya kasi this is the first time that I will be using the DJI Pocket or DJI product for this.
The next morning.
I think malaki yung discount na nakuha natin for these two products. Itong phone holder plus, ang binayaran na lang natin dito from 1,730, ang binayaran na lang natin is 1,038. While itong extension pole naman, tripod mini, from 1,388, ang binayaran na lang natin is 832 pesos. Plus the shipping fee or yung courier fee na 180 pesos. So itong dalawang products, ang total niya is 2,050 pesos. So yan. Wow. Ayun. So, wala nang laman. We got the instruction. Yeah, the instruction. Tapos, I also got PGY Tech stickers, dalawa. Wow. Medyo mabigat siya mga kalaks. Maganda yung quality ng materials. Walang plastic, I think, sa mismong product. May rubber siya, may horseshoe mount for other accessories. Unbox naman natin itong PGY Tech extension pole tripod mini. So there. Meron siyang, ito siguro yung screw. So basically yan lang yung laman ng PGY Tech na what do you call that, the extension pole tripod mini. Yon. So yan, todo na siya. Hindi siya sobrang taas pero masarap siyang hawakan kasi rubberized yung sa handle niya. Tapos maganda rin yung pag i-stand mo na siya, pag gagawin mo siyang tripod.
Few inches later.
Now I'm using the wireless microphone na kasama dito sa ating creator content combo package ng DJI Osmo Pocket. Let me know your thoughts, kung malinaw ba yung reception, kung malinaw ba yung dating ng audio sa inyo. Now I'm using the built-in microphone sa ating DJI Osmo Pocket 2. I'm not using anymore this wireless microphone So let me know your thought mga kalaps kung ano yung mas malinaw, kung yung with lavalier with the wireless microphone ba or yung audio itself from the body of the DJI Pocket 2. So there you have it mga kalaks and mga kalaps. Yan yung ating unboxing video for our new Osmo Pocket 2 creator content camera and the tripod and the phone holder. I'm so excited to use this new toy for our future videos and vlogs, and hopefully magamit na natin to in our future travel. So again guys, Merry Christmas to you and your family, Happy New Year, and have a wonderful celebration of holidays. Till the next vlog guys, bye bye.